Good morning, students. Now open your Collins English Grammar and Composition. Come to lesson 4, that is one and more than one. In this, you have to know that what is singular noun and what is plural noun. Singular noun means a singular noun is a noun that refers to only one person, one place, one thing, or one idea. Example, book, one pen, flower, etc. Now, in this way, singular noun is only one in number, and plural noun. Plural noun is a noun that refers to more than one or many person, place, thing, or idea. Example, books, two pens, many flowers, etc. Now, this is plural noun. Now, we will compare singular to plural noun. Singular noun means one in number and plural noun is more than one or many. Now, in singular, book, then in plural, this book will be books. Pen, pens. Cow, cows. Friend, friends. House, houses. You all can see in this we have put only S to make it plural. Is that clear? Now, some examples where we use ES to make plural form from singular form. That is, see, one side you can see singular noun and another side it is plural noun. Bush. Now in plural form it will be bushes, ES at the end. Watch, watches. Box, boxes. Glass, glasses. Class, classes. Now you can see in these cases you have put ES at the end to make it plural form. Now in some cases we don't change the name. See, in singular noun, sheep, deer, furniture, whatever it is, it will not change into plural form. In plural noun also you have to write only sheep only. See, one sheep. On the other side you can see in plural form, three sheep. One deer, plural form also, many deer. A deer, deer. There is no S or ES at the end. Okay? They will not change. Sheep and deer will not change. In some cases, when we change singular form to plural form, we change the last word. For example, first one is by changing Y to IES. See the example? When we are changing singular to plural, see, lady, LADY, last word is Y. We are changing this Y to IES and making it plural form. Same way, lorry, last Y is changing into IES to make it plural. Now, second is by changing F or FE to VES when we are making plural form. See the examples? Loaf. Loaf is singular word. Now we are making it plural. So we are changing last F into VES. LOAVES. Loaves. In the same way, knife. KNIFE, knife. We are changing last FE into VES. KNIVES to make it plural form. Some more example. In some cases, when we change singular to plural form, we change the whole word. Like when we are converting singular form to plural form, in child, we are making it children. In plural form, we write child into children. Man, 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 we are making it plural and it will be men, MEN. Third example is woman. Now, when we are making it plural, we are making it women, WOMEN. Fourth example, foot.
Now in plural form, it will be feet. Then mouse, it will be mice. Then goose, it will be geese. Last is ox. It will become oxen to make plural form. Whole spelling is changing. So learn it nicely.
Okay, thank you.